Today, you will master finding your bias. Bearish or bullish bias, it does not matter. You will use the best TradingView indicator with the best momentum scalping strategy. We will do a full top-down analysis as usual. If you are good to go, let's start. I think it's time to talk about big time and why I tweeted about this coin before the 25% rally. We will do a full analysis from the weekly towards the minute-based charts. We will observe every single detail. The moment I have opened this chart, I have noticed these swing points which created our weekly-based market structure break. And of course, the magnificent imbalance which is created by the structure break. Price boosted right around this imbalance area. This was the bias power. How about the bias target? First of all, this liquidity pool gathering above with the weekly imbalance was our great bias target. Okay, all this great. How about the daily chart? In the daily, notice what happens. The same thing happening one more time. Swing points, market structure break, and the imbalance. What you see here, what I teach you in the free trading course. This was actually our very first basic lesson. Okay, now let's talk about the momentum layout. In the momentum layout, I saw this very nice area, our multi-level imbalances to supercharge the coin. When I saw this area, I had to tweet about it. We had great bias and great momentum. This was an insane rally. However, I did not trade this. Let's discuss why. First of all, no one knows the future for 100%. We can try to predict, we can try to guess. Actually, as traders, all we do is just educated guesses from the previous patterns. I was expecting a rally, but not expecting like 25% movement. In the entry area, I also saw this great support and resistance flip with the inner boosting imbalance. Up until now, up until this point, everything was A++ Masterclass level trade setup. Now let's talk about the problems. The problem, there was no great early market structure break or no great rally strategy entry. As you can see later on, structure breaks with these hours of price chop. What is the result here? Great bias, great momentum, bad or late entry that I have missed. Sometimes trades will not work really well. Sometimes trades run like crazy. Some days you will wait for hours, like me, for a clear entry, but it will never come. Another day it will chop you and make you stop loss and then rally. Trading is unpredictable, trading is art, trading is a crazy business. We have no option but to accept all these rules. Okay friends, hope this educational video was helpful. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.